Hello and welcome to Fluent by Story. I'm so glad you're here today. In this video, we will take a powerful journey together to improve your English speaking, reading, and listening through the technique called shadowing. This means you will listen carefully and repeat after me. You'll become more fluent, more confident, and more natural in your English speaking. Are you ready? Let's begin our story-based shadowing practice. At the airport. I am at the airport. I feel excited. Today I will fly to a new country. I have my passport. I have my ticket. I have my suitcase. Everything is ready. I walk to the check-in counter. The woman at the desk smiles at me. She says, "Here's your boarding pass. Have a nice flight." I smile and say, "Thank you." I walk to the security check. The line is long, but I wait patiently. I put my bag on the belt. I walk through the scanner. It beeps. A guard checks me again. He smiles and lets me go. I pick up my bag and head to the gate. At the gate, many people are waiting. Some are sitting, some are reading. Some are talking on the phone. I look at my boarding pass. My seat is 14A. I hope it's a window seat. A voice on the speaker says, "Flight 402 to London is now boarding." I stand up. I walk to the gate. I show my boarding pass. The woman scans it and says, "Have a great trip." I walk down the tunnel to the plane. I find my seat. It's a window seat. I sit down and look outside. I see other planes. I see the ground crew working. Soon, the plane will take off. A man sits next to me. He says, "Hi, my name is David." I smile and say, "Hi, I'm Alex." We talk for a few minutes. Then, the flight attendant speaks. "Please fasten your seatbelt. We are ready for takeoff." The plane moves slowly. Then faster. Then it lifts off the ground. I look out the window. The buildings get smaller and smaller. The clouds are white and fluffy. I feel calm and happy. At the hotel. We land in London. I go to the baggage claim and get my suitcase. I take a taxi to my hotel. The city is busy and beautiful. I see red buses and black taxis. I see old buildings and new shops. The taxi stops in front of my hotel. I pay the driver and go inside. The lobby is bright and clean. I walk to the reception desk. "Hello," I say. "I have a reservation." The receptionist says, "Welcome, can I see your passport?" I give her my passport. She types on the computer. She smiles and says, "You are in room 305. Here is your key card. Enjoy your stay." I take the elevator to the 3rd floor. I find my room. I open the door. The room is small but nice. There is a bed, a desk, a chair, and a window. I put down my suitcase. I sit on the bed. I feel tired but happy. I am ready to explore the city tomorrow. Exploring the city. The next morning, I wake up early. I take a shower and get dressed. I go downstairs for breakfast. The hotel offers eggs, toast, fruit, and coffee. I eat slowly and enjoy the meal. After breakfast, I walk outside. The sun is shining. The air is cool. I take out my phone and open the map. I want to visit the famous places. First, I go to Big Ben. It is tall and beautiful. I take pictures. Then I walk to the River Thames. The water flows gently. I see boats. I see people walking. Next, I visit the London Eye. It is a big Ferris wheel. I buy a ticket and go up. From the top, I see the whole city. It looks amazing. Then I go to a museum. I see old paintings and interesting objects. I learn about history and art. I listen to the audio guide and read the signs. In the afternoon, I go to a cafe. I order tea and a sandwich. I sit by the window. I watch people walking. I hear different languages. London is full of life.